Hello, it's Helen Godden and I'm back again for our last time together for our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long. Yes, it's December 24 and I've got my green thread back on, and this is to stitch into my message here. Now you can decide whatever message you'd like to have, but my message for all of us is that we should all cheer for a happier new year. So with my green thread I'm going to stitch over this cursive and join those letters up as much as I can. I might have to do some jump stitches between one area and the next, and I'll show you how I do that. So just a couple of stitches on yourself, and then I relieve the tension of the thread just there and jump across to my next area. Couple of stitches on myself, and then I can cut that little bit away later. And so now I jump in here with my snazzy scissors and cut away those jump stitches. And that's what I love about my scissors, is the shape of it means I can just kind of slide along my quilt knowing that I won't cut the fabric, just cut my little threads. So there we go, I've finished my green stitching, and now that all it's left to do is to grab that iron and have all that friction pen disappear. See, look at my road maps. Up here we've got a bit of friction pen to get rid of. And it all comes together. There's our jigsaw puzzles. And a few of our friction pen marks up here. Oh, and on the cathedral windows, let's have a look at that. Woohoo! Okay, so there we go. All I'm going to do now, just to finish it off, is I've put my cream thread on the machine, and my plan is to heavily stipple in this area, which is the background, and that'll push all that back and allow all this to sit forward. Then my only other plan is to quite possibly quilt horizontal lines quite close together down through here. It's going to come up here and become a radiating line around this curve, so that it's radiating effectively from an imaginary center here. Okay, and I've drawn those lines just to help me, and then I plan on quilting, let's say, every 1/4 inch apart with my cream thread to really give some lovely texture and that play of light and dark with the shadows that it creates. So I'm really looking forward to seeing all your variations and interpretations of our poinsettia quilt-a-long. And I just want to say thank you so much for joining me and my daughter here as we've filmed all this. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a sincerely happier New Year next year. I'm really hoping that 2021 is going to be better for all of us. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the new year. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas, all that stuff. Bye. See ya.